Hey guys, Game Dev Coach here. In this video I'll be going over how to license and set up Unity and Vuforia for AR development, but before I get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future videos in this AR Fundamentals with Unity course. Okay, back to the video. There are many different software development platforms to create AR products. The one for this course is Unity with the Vuforia AR toolset. If you're new to Unity or it's been a while since you used it, I suggest brushing up on the basics by browsing the Brackeys YouTube channel or any tutorial you find online. You only need to know the basics, like how to move around the interface, what's a prefab, how to translate, move, rotate, and scale objects, apply materials, and lighting, and the basics. I'm going to assume you have little or no knowledge of scripting or programming, but we will be using some scripting in the AR scenes, so I'll be writing the script so you'll be able to drag and drop them onto the objects. You'll need to download and install the most recent version of Unity. Follow the prompts to open a Unity account, install any of the versions. The free personal version's perfectly fine and will do everything you need to do for this course. Read the limitations of this version. If you're planning on using this for profit, chances are you're just fine using the free version. When installing Unity, make sure you select to install the correct build support settings, meaning, if you plan to output to iOS or Android or both, that option is right when you start to install. Now, if you jumped ahead and installed Unity without the correct build support, you can simply just relaunch the Unity install tool, and right at the beginning there it'll give you the option to select those. So it's very quick, you can pop those in right away. To install the AR tools from Vuforia, you can use the asset store to download the Vuforia tools, or you can just head on over to their website. Either way you decide to get the tools, you'll need to make an account for Vuforia to get a license key to get everything to work. Log on to Vuforia.com and go to their dev portal. Here you'll need to register for a developer's account. Once your account is made, you'll need to download the Vuforia package for Unity. Some people get confused because there are a bunch of different versions depending on your platform. Just remember, you're developing within Unity, so download the tools for Unity. Now you could be on a Mac, but your development platform is Unity, not iOS. You might want to output to Android, but you're developing for Unity, so Unity takes care of all the output. Those other versions are for developing with different tools, so when in doubt, pick the Unity version. This is a prefab used in Unity and contains all the tools you'll need, from Vuforia, to create your AR apps. You'll just be importing this package into your project once, and at that point it'll stay with your project. Now, as I mentioned earlier, Vuforia will not work unless you download a license and use it within Unity. Go to the Development tab and under the License Manager click Add License Key. Vuforia will want to know what type of code you're going to need. We're going to use the development license. Name the license key. You know which license goes which project. This is more of an issue when you start creating apps to sell. For right now you're going to use this license for the entire course. Confirm and open up the new license that you just made. This code needs to be used inside of Unity, so copy and paste it into a notepad or text editor so we can use it later without a trip back to the website. Notice, this is also where the target manager is located. We'll be using the target manager later in other projects. Open Unity and create a new project. I'm going to call it AR Basics. Import the Vuforia Unity package by right-clicking Assets, and Import Package, Custom Package. Navigate to the Vuforia Unity package you just downloaded and import that into Unity. We need to make sure Unity is set up for our possible outputs, which are either Android or iOS. In Unity go to Edit, Preferences, External Tools. Now if you go to the bottom of the screen, you'll find a place for the Android SDK and the Java JDK. If you can't see them, just pull down the window a little bit more. The easiest way to install them is from here. Click the download button and install the SDK and the JDK. Just so you know, you don't need the NDK. The difference between Android and iOS are minimal from the point of view of the development in Unity. The issues arise when it comes to output. In Android you produce an APK, which stands for Android Package. In iOS you produce an app, which stands for Applications. Both the APK and the app are made from the same Unity project, just with different build settings. Inside the Unity, go to File, Build Settings. Here you can choose your final output. I have mine set to Android, but you could easily just have yours set for iOS. When switching between different build settings, Unity will convert the files to an appropriate format for the final build. Now this can take a while if you have awful lot of assets that need to be converted, so at this point we don't really have no assets, so switching now is probably a pretty good idea. Now save your scene by going to File, Save Scene As, and we're going to call it No Target. So, with everything installed, an empty scene called No Target, saved, and your final output set, we'll be able to move on to our first AR project. Thanks for watching the video to the end. If you liked it, let me know by subscribing to my channel and turn the bell notification on so you don't miss part 2 of this video when I upload it. You can also connect with me via social media. All links are available in the description. Peace.